Alright guys, welcome back to the Sawmill. It's Saturday. We got something really special here on the mill today, a nice butternut. Got the large end facing us. This timber is right at 8.5 feet long. And the way I have it turned, it looks like the diameter is about, it's really hard to tell. It's showing about 26 inches, but we got a large void right there on this side where it's swelled out. This is the butt cut of the tree. I bought the entire tree. It's been a few months back and there's 3 logs total out of it. This is the bottom cut. So it's got a lot of flare down here at the bottom and got another cavity right there, but it's only about 2 inches deep. So not too bad here on the large end. All right, friends, we're gonna do something different here today. I'm not gonna be doing live edge slabs. I'm trying to get away from that market just a little bit and kind of move toward doing regular boards for cabinet makers and furniture makers. Not everybody likes live edge slabs. And to be honest with you, 5/4 and 6/4 boards are a lot easier to dry in the kiln and they dry a lot faster as well. I'm gonna try to phase out of the live edge slabs just a little. I'll still do some nice stuff if it looks like it's going to have some crotch figure in it. But for the most part, I want to start doing a lot more 5/4 and 6/4 lumber. I think it's going to be better longevity wise because it's something everybody really is after. I get a lot of calls for that stuff. More calls for that now than I do live edge slabs. So this should be a nice log. The small end down here is about 16 inches. And I'm really not concerned with that size and this taper. We're sawing for grade today. And I have the best face, or what I hope is going to be the best face, on the top right here. And it's really hard to tell. Butternut has a really odd bark system to it, if that's even the right terminology. It kind of looks like eastern red cedar on the outside. It's got these little ridges in it that really come out. It really reminds me of cedar. And there's no signs of notch right here. This is the first cut of that tree, so it should be okay until we get down to the juvenile wood, which is the first 25 years of growth. We'll probably find some knots right in there. But up until that point, we should be in good shape right there. And I'm hoping for some wide boards today. I'm not really sure on the width, if I'll keep them as wide as I could get them, or if I'll kind of make them a little bit narrower. I'm not sure about that. We'll just try to see how things look when we open it up. I'm not against doing maybe 1x10s out of this, or 5/4 rather, 10 inches wide. That would be a good size right there, I think. But this should go pretty good. We have a brand new blade on the sawmill. I just got through changing it out this morning. We've got a 7-degree 045 double hard Wood-Mizer blade, and usually I'd want an 055, but since we're not doing slabs and we're going to do lumber instead, 045 should be pretty good for this right here. And if you're not familiar with butternut, it's out of the walnut family. It's got a real good appearance. It really favors walnut, but it's a little bit lighter. It's not as dark. And it's a little bit softer as well. Its main uses are for furniture makers. People build cabinets out of this stuff, farm tables. My friend Curtis Buchanan, he takes these and he wants his cut at 8/4, and he does Windsor chair seats out of his. Now I'm going to probably keep all the lumber out of this today. I'm going to do 5/4. Because the last time I saw butternut was I think it was last summer when Curtis brought some over here. And I told myself if I can ever find some more butternut and get a hold of some, I'll probably saw it up and keep it for my own use, because it's hard to find, guys. So 2 quick things, guys. Number 1, everybody on Patreon, I appreciate your support. And number 2, if you didn't see the last video, we're doing a t-shirt sale. There's a link down below. The t-shirt sale will expire this coming Friday. So it gives you about 5 or 6 days, depending upon when this video comes out, to get your order in. And after the orders go in, I'll order the t-shirts. It takes about 2 weeks for me to get them. And as soon as they arrive here, we'll package them up and ship them out to you. So if you're interested in a t-shirt, there's a link down below. I'm doing 2 different designs this time. The original OTW shirt, I think that's the one I'm wearing today. And the second one is the newest one. It's got the beard logo on the back. So go check those out, guys. If you've been wanting to get a hold of a t-shirt, now is probably a good time, because I probably won't do another t-shirt sale maybe until the fall, if then. I've got a lot going on here. Whole lot going on. So let's get this one opened up, guys, and see what's hiding underneath it, because it is May the 30th, but we're going to have Christmas here in May at the sawmill, because butternut never disappoints. Famous last words right there. It shouldn't disappoint. This void right here shouldn't be an issue. So I'm going to shut up. Let's get this Yanmar cranked up and see what's inside of this thing. guys, right here is where we're at. 18 inches tall and 14 inches wide. Everything's looking really good on this butternut. And what I'm probably going to do is go ahead and call it done on 14 inches right there and set the AccuSet for 5/4 and come down through here and make some lumber. Those will turn out really nice. 14 inches is a good width. I can still flatten stuff that's 14 inches wide on my friend's joiner. If I do 18 inches wide, it's going to be hard to flatten without a planer sled or something. So we'll probably do 14 inches wide and call it done. But everything's going really well. This stuff really does saw up easily. It feels like tulip poplar, kinda. Even though it is a hardwood, it feels really soft when you saw into it. And some really nice grain right there showing on all sides. Come in here and take a few cuts off this top and throw some water on a few of these boards and see how they look. Christmas in May, guys, Christmas in May.